Good morning. I just wanted to take a second and show you guys the new trailer that we just bought from Ashley at Carolina Trailer Sales. It is a 2017 Merhow. One of the things that we were really looking for in a trailer was one where the wheelbases were not inside the trailer. Flyaway Geese, the company that I own, does wildlife management and trains Border Collies to do wildlife control all over the country. And one of the things that we needed was the ability to transform this trailer into a dog trailer. So if you see here, we have got access to the ability to put 15 large ruffling crates in here. Right now we have 10 larges and 4 intermediates. That's all we needed for this trip. Josh added these brackets here so that he could stabilize these crates in here. They are also bolted in and bolted together in a honeycomb type fashion. The trailer again does not have any wheel wells, so it gives us a lot more room to put these crates in it. It's got the side access door that gives us the ability to let dogs out from the side or the rear. It's another view. It is full of dogs right now. We got plenty of room for storage. It does not have a slide out, but the living quarters is plenty big enough for what we do at the sheepdog trials. Nice couch, full-size refrigerator, or big enough refrigerator anyway. Super nice trailer in excellent condition, nearly mint condition. As you can see, we were able to take all of the dividers and everything out of the back, the tack room out of the back. As you see, we are using the bridle rack for leashes, and everything's working great.